In this video, we are going to talk about proposals. Proposals are geared towards the sales process, so if you're needing to send a proposal off to a client to receive official sign-offs or an approval, this is exactly what Travefy proposals were built for. Now, itineraries in Travefy are built virtually the same way, but there's a few key differences to note. Let's go ahead and get started. When I select New Trip, go ahead and choose the With Proposal option. However, today we're actually going to take a look at a proposal I've already gotten started on. When I select Edit, this is going to take us to our builder, and this is going to look the exact same as if we were using an itinerary. This is where we'll be able to add content in to the specific proposal. Now, there's a few things that I would recommend doing to make sure your proposals really stand out. One is customizing your day titles. This is going to really help make sure that your clients know how to navigate through their proposal. Let's go ahead and put some items in here. We'll say, Welcome to Eshkaret, and select Done. The next item to note is that you can add as many info sections as you want. Info sections are going to be sections that are never associated with any date. So even once you add a date in, once it's an itinerary or you know what dates they're going out on their vacation, it's never going to be associated with that date. Really helpful if you want an area that you want to put all of your confirmation tickets into or resources that don't really make sense to have a date in the first place. Now, to customize that title, just click into that area. We'll delete that out and we'll title this Destination Information. I'll select Done, and this brings us to our next point. Go ahead, select City Guides, which are on the right-hand side. This is going to be a place where we can pull in destination content that's already been created for us. And this is going to make sure our clients have access to really rich destination information, and it's not going to take us a lot of time to build in for them. I'm going to type in Cancun, and we have two different guides. Go ahead, take a look through either, but for today, I'm going to select the first one. You can choose to pull over the entire guide or specific sections or specific items. I'll bring over the tourist information and drop that in. Another thing to just note is you can rearrange this into the order that you want. If you want all of your information sections to be at the bottom or one at the top, you can do so. You can also rearrange your days if anything has come up and you need to do so you don't have to start from scratch. Now, a couple of other things to just note is when you want to add content in, select the New Event option, and you're going to get a drop-down list of all the different categories of events that you can pull in. Go ahead, try out a few of them, or take a look at our Supplier Integrations Getting Started video to see how you can save a lot of time. But now, let's preview this as the client. When I select Preview, this is exactly what my client will see. They can expand those days open, and we can see what that day title looks like. And they have a high-level overview of everything in this proposal. They can click into specific sections that they want to go to as well, and interact with all the photos, videos, and links you've included. Now, one thing to note that is the biggest difference between this and the itinerary is that they have an Approve Proposal button up at the top right next to their little chat button. When they click Approve Proposal, this brings them to a form which you as the advisor can fully customize to your liking. So if you want to include questions where they can add in their card information, or if you want them to upload their passport or other important documents, you can do so all from within here to make sure you don't have to send nearly as many emails back and forth to your client. But let's fill this out as a traveler. We'll put in our name, as well as our email, and hit Continue. They'll be sent a verification code, which they can copy and paste directly back into this form. And once they have that, they can select Verify Code. They'll be brought to a summary of everything that was included in their proposal, just to make sure the details all look correct before hitting Continue and filling out the questions that you've decided to add in here. On the last page, they'll be able to sign off with their electronic signature, and again, you can put in your own terms and conditions right here. Let's go ahead and submit our responses. Now, a few things have happened. You as the advisor are going to be emailed that your client has approved their proposal. Your client is going to receive a PDF copy of everything they approved of to make sure that they have all of the necessary paperwork, and that's going to save you one more email from having to send out. When they click Done, they'll see that it's been approved, and if they refresh their screen or go back to their link later on, they'll now have the app in PDF option because this has now become an itinerary. If we go back here and go out of trips, we'll actually see that this is now an approved proposal. You can also see the form that they filled out, and you can view those responses. One thing that's going to really help out with the proposal stage is checking your trip activity as well. This is going to show whenever you have someone who approved it, and you can see when you've sent this out to your clients. This is really helpful if you decide to email your proposals out because we can track it a lot better for you. Now, if you're curious on how to customize your form for that proposal agreement, just click your name up at the top right and find your account settings. From here, go down to your settings, which are at the bottom. And this is where you can select which form from your library you want to have as your proposal agreement. If you aren't sure on how to go through forms, check out that Getting Started video guide. But that's it. That is how you can put together a proposal within Travefy. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started video guide.